Ready? Exercise number 16. 3, 2, 1, start. Mary and Jack are to be married early in March. We wish to go to the wedding, but they may be married in Rome and it will be too far away. We shall ask the lawyer to talk for an hour. They will take a lorry load of coal to the shop today or tomorrow. Wrap the package and mail it today. We think we ought to insure the package. We have given them no authority to change the policy of the firm. We get our milk at the dairy farm and we usually pay our bill monthly. The living room was at the rear of the shop. The door was too narrow and we had to remove it to get the large package into the room. Mary, whose memory was poor, read a different page of the book each day. We can change the collar on the fur wrap today and the lady may come in for it tomorrow.